To learn from someone that has already succeeded in this industry and succeeded in the same work we're gonna do helps a lot.
Right here, they teach you how to work and break it down in little sections so you're able to work by yourself more efficient way as well.
Hi, my name is Jacob Castro. I'm from San Diego, California. And the reason I'm here is just I wanted to learn a new skill and possibly go out there and use that skill for more ways of income.
My name is Gabriel Silva and I'm from Oxnard, California. Basically, the reason why I decided to take this class is I started seeing like people customizing their cars and whatnot, Just like everybody thinks, it's just a sticker over your car, but in reality, they don't know everything behind.
Cars have kind of always caught my eye. I never really got into it too much until now. It was more of a spontaneous type of thing, but I just like the idea of to me, it's almost like totally transforming a car. It looks one way and then a couple days later, boom, it's like almost a brand new car. It was eye-opening. It just kind of made me realize more how much I want to be in this industry and how much there's to learn. From being in the classroom and then transitioning to working hands-on, it just showed me how tedious the work can be, how every step matters.
At first I was nervous, just not knowing what I was getting into. Getting used to the film basically in the beginning and everything is just a whole different thing that when you see, you're not expecting it to be like that. And once you know how much pressure and what that material is capable of, you get more comfortable handling it and just basically scoring the film. You know you're not going to be cutting on the car.
Everyone was improving, so watching Benny, Jordan, everyone, Stacy, Gabriel, seeing how better they're getting with their cuts, how I'm getting better with my cuts. I'm getting a little less shaky with every new cut I make, just from everything from glassing to even squeegeeing and really getting that good 45-degree angle. I think it was cool just to see everyone come, to from start to finish, getting more confident in their work.
I just wasn't expecting, the whole process to be like that and how simple he makes it look, to where others, like I said before, they take out the whole wrap and the whole paper and they try to do everything all at once, as to where right here they teach you how to work and break it down in little sections so you're able to work by yourself in a more manageable way. And just the way Ruben taught us, just basically no stretch.
To learn from someone that has already succeeded in this industry and succeeded in the same work we're gonna do helps a lot. It's not like we're just going in it blindly, because he's showing us not only how to work on the car, but he's giving us tips on how to, serve the customers and have good customer service and whatnot. It's building clientele, building the brand, the name, and just doing quality work, trustworthy work, that people could come back and are just working up until that moment where we're able to afford a garage, getting all the materials, the tools, just really more investing into ourselves. Jacob Castro from San Diego, California. Our business is gonna be Visionary Works. Look out for us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, hopefully pretty soon. And I say for anyone that's looking into getting into this or anything they do, a new skill or just class, anything, just putting that foot in the door. I feel like that's the first step. Even if you're unsure, even if you don't know what you're doing, just putting that foot in the door. You could always learn as you go. You always, just gain more knowledge as you go.
I'm Gabriel from Oxnard, California. And for anybody who's looking to maybe get a new skill or something, learn a new trade or something to do a side hustle, then I recommend this class.